Sawadee ka! Kakatapos lang namin magpadok visit! Bakit ako kinikilig? Kasi hindi lang pala si Mark yung gwapo, si Peko pa doon! Kaya ba mag-picture? But I got to say hi to them, which is good morning, Thailand! We are still here in Chiang International Circuit and today is a very big day kasi today ang race 1 for the MotoGP. So what will happen today? In the morning, magkakaroon muna ng practice sessions yung mga racers and then after that, qualifying na. So yung qualifying, just like the ARRC, it will determine kung ano yung mga places ng racers sa grid before sila mag-start ng race. Yun. So, very excited na talaga ako kasi kasama dun sa aming Top Ducatisti experience yung watching from the grid itself. So, meron dong parang VIP box. Doon kami manonood and sa baba nun is just the grid. So, makikita mo yung starting line ng mga racers and syempre mas malapit, mas masaya, diba? Meanwhile, mag-freshen up na tayo kasi magbe-breakfast na tayo dun sa lounge ng hotel na to. Tara. Medyo mainit yung panahon ngayon, so we have to make sure na protected tayo. Okay na to kasi nakadry ng skin, staying out in the sun, kaya magkaka-white lotion tayo. And then, we're good to go! So, nakapag-breakfast na kami. Doon kami nagbe-breakfast. Ngayon, babalik ako sa room. Kasi kukunin ko yung earplugs ko. Masyadong malakas yung tunog ng mga bike. Medyo damage siya sa ears. Kapag hindi ka nag-ingat. It's really loud. Sakay tayo ng van kasi punta tayo ng VIP box. Sawadee ka! So here are the MotoGP racers. Hopefully we'll get to meet one of them later. Parang feeling ko yung mga Thai, ano sila, malalambing. Kasi when you say, Sawadee ka, parang kinikiliti ka. I love you ah. Siyempre hindi tayo papayag na hindi tayo makakatingin ng mga merch from Ducati. So they have this very big tent. Puro Ducati items, shirts, cap, and then meron din sila motorcycle riding gears dito na of course Ducati brands. Shopping! So meron silang provided na buffet for everyone sa VIP box. Ang problema lang is, if hindi ka mahilig sa maanghang, baka mali yung makuha mo. So, ingat na lang sa pagkain. Kasi si Zach may nakuha siyang sobrang anghang. So, good luck. Kakatapos lang namin magpadok visit! Guys, bakit ako kinikilig? Kasi hindi lang pala si Mark yung gwapo. Si Peko pa doon. Sobrang gwapo nila. Magkamukha si Bagnaia at si Bastianini. Pareho silang gwapo. Kaya ba mag-picture? But I got to say hi to them, which is here we can see bikes from Ducati. This is a Street Fighter. There's a Panigale, and then we have this Monster Super Body. I like about this is the decals. The design is so nice. What's happening now is that this whole sprint, parang exhibition ride siya na 13 laps lang. And this is like this lang. So, Ducati team. So, dun yung start. Dun. And that concludes today. So, it's party time. Grabe, what an eventful day. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, grabe, the feeling was incredible. Alam mo yun, parang napapanood mo lang to sa internet tsaka sa TV before. Pero ngayon, I got to actually watch MotoGP live in person. Nandun lang sila sa baba ko. It was, I cannot put into words how I feel right now. Talagang grabe guys. Ang saya niya. Nakakaiyak. Alam mo yun? Anyway, so yun nga. Sobrang laki nitong Chiang International Circuit. And then merong iba-ibang places where you can buy merch from different brands. Syempre nandun yung mga Honda, Yamaha, meron from Alpine Star. And of course, we went to the Ducati merch booth. So medyo madami akong nauwi. Kasi naman, diba? This is a very rare opportunity to be able to watch MotoGP. So, sinulit ko na siya kahit wala na akong baon. Inubos ko na siya kanina. And the nice thing about being in the Top Ducatisti experience is meron kayong sariling VIP box. So, it's aircon and then you have your own seats. So, diba? Manonood ka na lang ng MotoGP. Make it worthwhile. Yun. So, I just changed my clothes kasi buong araw na ako nasa labas. And then, we're off to dinner again. Ciao!